For my final project in Code in Place, I wrote a program in Python called Mondrian Creator. You're now seeing a few works of art by the Dutch master Piet Mondrian in its Neoplasticism style. The titles of all of these works begin with the word composition. His most famous work, seen here, is titled Composition 2 with red, blue, and yellow. The program pays homage to Mondrian by creating works of art in his style. To do this, the program creates a random grid of white rectangles, then colors a random number of them in the colors Mondrian used in his compositions. It then searches among the grid for a larger section which equals a square. If it finds a square, it colors one red, as Mondrian primarily reserved red for squares. It also attempts to create larger colored rectangles, and it cuts some of the original rectangles in half, all to match the style of Mondrian's compositions. The program itself is a simple interface consisting of two buttons, the randomly created art and the title of the piece. The titles are randomly generated based on some of Mondrian's naming conventions, the colors used in that particular canvas, and a random number. As you see, when you click Generate Art, the window refreshes with another random grid in the style of Mondrian. If you discover one you particularly like, you click Save, and the work of art, along with its title, will be saved for you on your computer. Due to the random nature of the program, the art varies greatly. I like this blue and yellow one, so I saved it. Composition with blue and red, number 72, was cool, so I saved it as well. In the code itself, you can change the likelihood any random rectangle appears a certain color. The biggest challenge was figuring out how to ensure the red squares and large rectangles do not cover up some of the original grid of colors, which results in non-visible colors being listed in the title. I accomplished this in the end using the tcenter find overlapping function in its objects list. Let's save one last one. Composition with blue patch number 7. The art is saved as crop screenshots. In the program, when you click on Save, the two buttons briefly disappear to ensure a clean image. The image file name includes the work's title as well as a timestamp, so you won't accidentally save over one of your favorites. Thanks for checking out Mondrian Creator.